Diamond Beach, Hawaii. I went to audition. It's actually a funny story, actually. Me and my girlfriend were sitting in the mall eating sandwiches, and this local guy came up to me and was like, "Why aren't you all at the audition? Why aren't you at the American Dark Side model audition?" And I was like, "What are you even talking about?" And he said, "It's on the other side of town. Please hurry. We need people to be there." And so I drove all the way to the other side of town, went to the interview, and that's how it happened. I had no idea I would make it this far. Like, I went to the one on the other side of town in Hawaii, and it was just like a 3-hour-long interview. And then I was like, oh, they may call me, they may not. Then that same night they called me. And then they were like, come in the next day. And after I did the video, they were like, we'll call you maybe. And so months went by, actually 2 months went by, and I completely forgot. And that's when the news called me and was like, you made it, hooray! And so I had no idea. I totally forgot about the competition entirely. The viewers might be surprised to learn that I'm going to college for microbiology. I really want to be a coroner. I'm really interested in having to be on the homicide scene and be able to find the bodies, cause of death. It's really my giant interest. It's a goal for a really long time. So that's like a kind of hobby of mine, a kind of interest of mine. I'm most looking forward to I know the top 5 girls get to go to a different country, and it's always a really big surprise, and I want to just see where we're going. I know it's really exciting to be able to go somewhere. I am looking forward to the guidance the judges are giving me because I think I really need their help. So far, Mr. J has been telling me really good advice with the photo shoots. I'm not really good with my hands. They feel kind of strong and tense, and so he's always coming over, please soften your hands, be gentler with your hands, so I know that's my weakness, and I appreciate the advice. Miss J, when I was doing runway, didn't give me any advice. He just said, put your back up, and that was the only advice he gave me. I was hoping to get more, maybe your legs are too far, you're not walking long enough, but I didn't get anything else. I would definitely say my edge is the commitment to modeling. When I see the other girls in the competition, I just really feel like they're for something different. They're there for something different. Like, a lot of the girls don't seem to have it in their heart to want to model. A lot of the girls already are arguing, already are having trouble, just spatting with other girls, and it's not really necessary because we're here to model. We're not here to meet and make a life-changing relationship with these girls. And so if you have an argument, don't go any further with it. So I just think these personal relationships that they're developing are not necessary, and you need to really focus on modeling, which I haven't been seeing.